Everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the introduction of interior designer. Before starting its introduction, it is important to know what interior designer is and why it is called an interior designer. What does it mean? The name interior design is derived from the French word intérieur, which means inside. Now let's talk about what an interior designer is. A person who plans the decoration of the inside of buildings such as a house or office. Modern and cozy is the look this interior designer is known for. Before proceeding further in this video, it is important for us to know when and how started interior designing. First, interior design as a profession was invented by Elsie de Wolfe, the New Yorker once proclaimed. Indeed, in early 1900, Wolfe was the first creative to receive a commission for decorating a home, making her technically the first professional interior designer. Though that term was not yet in use in 1913, Elsie de Wolfe published the first interior design book, The House in Good Taste. This book is about how to design, furnish and decorate a house in order to make it a beautiful, useful, and livable home. Let us now describe the interior design. It is the art and science and business planning of a creative, technical, sustainable, and functional interior solution that corresponds to the architecture of a space, while informed decision about style, environmental impact, and aesthetics. Pleasing spacing by assessing space requirements, determining optional furniture placement, and selecting decorative items such as colors, lighting, and materials, all while adhering to relevant blueprint, building code, and inspection requirements. Interior designing is more than just selecting fabrics, paint colors, furniture, and other materials. It is also a problem-solving profession. Many interior designers resolve problems that might arise during design projects, such as furniture or decor availability, budget constraints, and changing client requirement. The purpose of interior design is to create spaces that are beautiful, comfortable, and functional. To create spaces that foster connections between family, friends, neighbors, and communities. Interior designers make interior spaces functional, safe, and beautiful. For almost every type of building, interior designers make indoor spaces functional, safe, beautiful by determining space requirements and selecting essential and decorative items such as colors, lighting, and materials. The focus of interior designer is not only to design a new home or office, but also to ensure that it accommodates one and all. For example, while giving shape to a home, it is vital to create individual spaces for each family members. Let's talk about the difference between an interior designer and a decorator. Many people do not know the difference between an interior designer and a decorator. That's why we should have complete knowledge about them before proceeding. What are interior designers and decorators, and what do they do? What is difference between interior design and decorators? Interior designer may decorate, but decorators do not design. The interior design process follow a systematic and coordinated methodology, including research, analysis, and integration of knowledge into the creative process to satisfy the needs and resources to the client. The key difference is that an interior designer typically has more formal training than a decorator. A decorator is normally responsible for installing the furniture, while an interior designer is more focused on designing the space as a whole, then provides the furniture procurement and decorator services. To install, an interior designer will be able to decorate a place, but a decorator can hardly design it because an interior designer must have both analytical and artistic skills. Designers create functional spaces within a building, while decorators adorn a space. Decorative elements. Let's say now you must have know about the difference between an interior designer and decorator. So let's talk about the difference between an interior designer and an architect. What is an architect and what is his job? What is different between interior design and architecture? Interior architecture focuses more on structure design with an emphasis on adaptive reuse and remodeling of existing buildings, whereas interior design is the practice of creating interior atmospheres. The relationship between architecture and interior design can be seen as a symbiotic pairing. While architecture is concerned with the structure and physical elements of a space, interior designer is concerned with the comfort and visual appeal of that space. Now you know the difference between them. What is the purpose of all this? If we talk about the fields of interior designer, there are numerous fields in it. I will talk to you about some of these fields and share information about them with you. How many fields in interior design? interior design is a multifaceted field that encompasses various work fields and specializations. Some of the key work fields within interior design include residential interior design. This involves designing and decorating private homes and apartments, focusing on creating comfortable and aesthetically pleasing living spaces for individuals and families. Commercial interior design. Commercial interior designers work on spaces like offices, retail stores, restaurants, hotels, and other public or commercial environments. They consider functionality, branding, and customer experience. Hospitality design. This specialization focuses on designing hotels, resorts, and hospitality spaces to provide guests with a memorable and enjoyable experience. Healthcare design. Healthcare interior designers work on medical facilities, hospitals, clinics, and doctors' offices, focusing on creating environments that are functional, hygienic, and comfortable for patients and staff. Corporate office design. Designers in this field focus on creating productive and efficient office spaces that promote collaboration and employee well-being. Retail design. Retail interior designers work on store layouts, displays, and customer flow to enhance the shopping experience and encourage sales. Exhibition and museum design. These designers work on creating engaging and educational exhibition spaces in museums, galleries, and trade shows. Educational facility design. Designing classrooms, libraries, and educational spaces that are conducive to learning is the focus of designers in this field. Set and stage design. Interior designers may also work in the entertainment industry, designing sets for films, television shows, theater productions, and events. Furniture and product design. Some designers create custom furniture and design interior products to meet specific needs or aesthetics. These are just some of the many work fields within interior design. Designers often choose to specialize in one or more of these areas based on their interests and expertise. The field of interior design is dynamic, offering a wide range of opportunities for creative professionals. I hope you like my video. If you need any other information, you can comment me in the comment section. If you want more videos, please like this video of mine, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.